friends, welcome to my channel. On the menu today is a creamy vegan coconut curry chickpea recipe. Let's get right into it. In a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of a white onion, and we'll saute until the onion is translucent. Next, we'll add the curry powder and continue to saute until it's well combined. Lower your stovetop heat to medium setting, add your coconut milk, and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. It's now time to add our spices. Give it a quick mix until they're well combined. Vegetable stock, the chickpeas, and continue to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. There you have it, friends. Creamy coconut curry chickpea. Enjoy!